The primary workspace in PantoneLIVE Visualizer is based on master-dependent relationships between colors in PantoneLIVE. To understand what master and dependent mean, consider the Pantone Plus coded library as a master standard, meaning its spectral measurement is the standard that designers specify when they're designing using a Pantone color. Dependent refers to how that spectral measurement changes when the master color is reproduced on another substrate through a different printing process, or even measured with a different spectral measurement device. The dependent standard is the most reproducible result that a printer would expect to measure given the dependent conditions being specified. To begin, pick a master standard from the list of Pantone colors on the left. You can also quickly search for a specific Pantone color using the search box. To begin building a palette, simply drag the desired PMS color to your working palette. Selecting a color in your working palette will display a visualization of your selected master standard displayed beside the corresponding dependent standard. The delta E, or distance and color notation, from the original master color will also be shown, which you can sort here. When you're finished creating your color palette, you'll want to communicate it externally. To create a printable PDF style guide, select Style Guide in your application toolbar. Give the file a name and an output destination, and you'll have a custom created Pantone fan deck page to share with your team. If you need to share your palette to your design software, you can generate an Adobe Swatch Exchange, or ASE file, and share your palette to Adobe Creative Cloud tools, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. The All Pantone Workspace allows you to build a palette with any accessible library in the PantoneLIVE cloud. Select a library from the dropdown to load it and drag the colors you need to your working palette. This is a great way to build a style guide emulating a specific printing condition. The Private Standards Workspace works similar to the All Pantone Workspace, but allows you to select private brand libraries that you have permission to access. If your brand has its own name colors that are not Pantone, using them with Visualizer is a great way to understand how those brand colors will be produced across a number of dependent print conditions. And finally, the Local Files Workspace allows you to open a CXF file containing color standards on your computer and work with them easily.